Okay, I'm going to try to make my first YouTube video, do-it-yourself thing. This is a guess I can go down here a little. Anyway, this is a basket that comes out of a, let me give you the thing of this. This is a Maytag model 1958XESi. Black sides, got a bottom freezer, top refrigerator. Anyway, this is the basket that goes in it. They are heck to get it out. There's another guy on the internet that shows you how to get it out, but it didn't quite go far enough about, you know, what happens to those latches that you're depressing on both sides right here for this thing. And what I'm going to show you is what it looks like after they've been depressed. As you can see, those depressions are right here. And you have to push them in, there's two of them, and push out. And then what happens is that this thing pops up and down. You can see, those are the two little things that you have to push in, and it pops up and down. So when you take it in and out, you almost, well, you have to take these in like that. Anyway, I thought that might help somebody, so there you go. A couple of minutes of time. Instead it goes up and down, and when you push down on it, it locks back into place once you have it in, of course. Once again, that's what it looks like. All right, have a good one.